Hi, this is DJB, founder of JBNAC group of companies. Basically, we started this company way back in the year of 1998. We started with an objective of serving the industry in India to treat water and wastewater. We have many laurels with us. We introduced a lot of new technologies in this field, and we have a very good team for after sale service. We introduced technologies such as drain recycling plant, auto swimming pool recirculation systems, sludgeless effluent recycling systems, fully automated RO plant, UF, nano, MBR, it goes on. Basically, we do a lot of research and development. We take everything from this earth. We want to give back something to the earth and create a history. So that's why we always innovate something. So that's how we started a company called Advait Engineers, wherein we give systems which are market competitiveness. And we do a lot of servicing in Advait Engineers. Days have forwarded. The COVID has come. During the COVID, it has given us a thought of doing something different from our existing field. That has given the birth to Advait Hygienics. Yes, it's entirely a different vertical where we do manufacture products using silver 100% nanoparticle and make people to understand about what is silver nano, how it functions, and what are the plus when compared with the rest of the products available in the market. It consumes a lot of time for us, and now slowly it started reaching the people, and people are enjoying the benefit, and there are people who are coming repeatedly asking about further developments. We started with a small unit of 2 to 3 products only. Now we have lined up with more than 30 products in this organization of Advait Hygienics. As this is going to be an introduction about my company, I don't want to give you much more information on that. We have separate topics which we will be covering shortly. எப்படி இது வந்தது, எதனால இது வந்தது அப்படிங்கிறத உங்களோட நான் பகிர்ந்துக்க நான் ரெடியாக இருக்கேன். இந்த Advait Hygienicsல உண்டான ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லாம் என்னென்ன பண்ணுறோம், இதோடைய பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத எங்களுடைய டாக்டர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, டீம் ஆஃப் இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, டீம் ஆஃப் கெமிஸ்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, டீம் ஆஃப் ரிசர்ச் பீப்புள் இருக்காங்க. Everyone is going to come and share about the plus of our product and benefits. These products is going to serve for a long, and we will enter into research and development. Thank you.